45 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Duncan, Marlow, The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for McLean County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, central Grady County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain near Chickasha, where up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include southeastern Norman, Chickasha, Blanchard, Purcell, Noble, Slaughterville, Lexington, Goldsby, Dibble, Wayne, Washington, Cole, Ellick, Vernon, Cement, Amber, Norwich, Bradley, Etowah, and Rosedale. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around, don't drown. A severe thunderstorm warning